ZW3D Premium version. All-in-one CAD/CAM solution. ZW3D Premium version provides full CAD functions, mold design, and 2 to 3x machining, including translator, modeling, assembly, sheet metal design, 2x milling, drilling, 3x milling, etc. Which means ZW3D Premium version adds turning and 2 and 3 milling functions in Professional version. With Premium version, ZW3D delivers easy and efficient all-in-one CAD/CAM solution. Based on the important DWG file, we can easily create a turning tool path. We'll use rough turning as an example. After defining the feature, tool, and parameter, we can easily get the tool path. With the same workflow, we can easily create facing, roughing, finish, groove, threading, and drilling tool paths. Solid Verify can show us a visual of the machining result. In 2x milling, we can use top face cut to remove the material between part and stock. In spiral cut, we select the bottom loop as the profile. Define the tool and parameter. Then we will get the rough result. With the same method, we can get the finished result with profile cut and spiral cut for small pocket. With pattern function, we can create rest tool path easily. We can use ramp to create tool path for middle slots. If we modify the slots with direct edit move function, we just need to update the toolpath in CAM. We can use drill operation to create drill tool path. After defining the feature, tool, and parameter, we will get the path. Then, we can get the simulant result with Solid Verify. After that, we can use visual analysis to get the rest material result. For the post configuration, ZW3D supports all the mainstream controllers, like Fanuc, Mazak, Siemens, and so on. Then we can get the output NC code and operation list. ZW3D also supplies intelligent hole tactic. Just add the part and feature, then we will get all drill operations including drill, peck drill, ream, tap. Here is the solid verification. We can check how the tool works. For roughing, select the part and stock. Define the tool and parameter. Then, we will get main roughing toolpath. For rest rough milling, we can use reference operation. Define the cutting parameter and calculation. This is the result. ZW3D also provides a flexible toolpath editor. We can easily trim the toolpath like this. ZW3D also has various finish strategies. With Z-level, we can set angle and parameter and get corresponding toolpath. With lace, like Z-level, with different angle ranges, we can get different results. With flat region, we can use flat finishing, define flat area, parameter, and tool to get tool path. Now, we can use solid verify to check the result. Refer to the output. ZW3D provides NC code and operation list for the CAM user. ZW3D Premium version is an all-in-one CAD, mold, and CAM solution for the whole process of product development, efficient mold parting, and smart CNC machining.